Alright, so when we have it opened up and we click on this green circle, it's going to make it full screen. It gives you more room to work with. Alright, our basic tools that we're going to be using most of the time are going to be over here on the side. If I click on, let's say, the pins, I get many choices. Alright, if I just click on my regular pin, you're probably going to see this first. Anytime you see these black arrows, that just means that you have more options. So I can go from any pin, make it any color, make it any thickness, put any line on the beginning and the end of it, or I can make it transparent if I want to. Okay? I've got lines, shapes, more shapes. I can write. I have my eraser, and I can fill in any of the shapes with color. If I want to move anything on my screen, I have to be in this arrow. So I'm going to click it. Over here, some of your more specialized tools that we'll get into later. If I want to go full screen, this little TV screen, it says view screens, I can go full screen, and that gets me here, or I can go back, and it takes me out. On the left, I've got my pages, which is where I will have all of my work. So let's say I'm just going to draw something here. It shows up in this page. If I want to add a page, I can click on this one, and it gets me a new page. If I want to delete that page, I can delete it. If I want to save it, I press this button. It looks like a little old floppy disk, and I can save it here. This picture, if I click on it, it shows me the different pictures that that Notebook has. 6,705 items. If I click this arrow, I can find all my pictures. If I click it again, if I want these on the other side, I click on this little arrow right here, and it gives me over here. Or I can move it back. If I want my toolbars from the top and go down to the bottom so that maybe the kids can reach it, I click on this one, and you'll notice it comes down to the bottom. And click it again to keep it back up at the top. Alright, your turn to play around with these, work with these tools, and see what you like.